Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And quite a few years ago, I made this video, and it's a really good video. It's one of my most popular videos. Put text in a shape for the best one. Somebody asked me today, where did I get the shape of the dog? Well, there's several places. One, we can go to DA fonts. This is what the home screen looks like, and click on Dingbats and Animals. And there's you a bunch of animals, or at least dogs. And I'm going to download it. Just takes a second. You go to the file that says the TTF and double click on it. It comes up. Remember the name of the dog, of the font, because it's not dog, it's can. I've already got it, so I'm not going to do it. So then you can go into Corel and just start typing out letters. And then I would do some capitals and some lowercase. And then go to your text, take away Arial, hit delete, and go can dog right there. And there's your dogs. Pretty cool. Let's say you want this dog right here. What's good about this is a vector font. Go up to object and break it apart. Then you can take that dog, make it whatever size you want. It's got some straight lines that need to be corrected, but you left click, right click, and there you have a vector shape of a dog. That's not a good example. You could, take, if you have X7 or above, you can take your smoothing tool and make it like 5 inches and then smooth this dog out. Click on it, make sure you're clicked on it. Sometimes it's a little difficult. Well, here's another good lesson. It is a text, so we need to convert it to a curve because the smoothing tool or the shape tool will not work on a text. In just a few seconds, you can round this dog off just a little bit. And, then you can take the shape tool, and make his back a little bit more sloped, take away a few nodes. And there you have a shape to putting in stuff like that. The other way, and the way I do it first, is I'm going to go to, let me see if I can't find the file. I type in dog clip art, black and white silhouette, and then this comes up. And then you want to, I've always found it better to go to the filter, go to the size, and make it extra large. The larger the file, the better it's going to be for you. And then pick one that you like. I'm just trying to kind of find one that might work, because like that probably wouldn't work. It's got so much in it. Let's take this Rottweiler looking dog. It's big. It's 12 by 950. Right click, copy image. Go back into Corel. Right click, paste. And even though it's a real long file now, or little bitty file, it's really big. Let's take the yellow box trick. Go up to object, order, back a page, and then click on that item. We don't have to convert it. We don't have to turn it into a bitmap because it's already black and white. I go trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. And in that short a time, it's taken the white away. And then just take that and left click, right click, and now you have a shape of a dog. And once again, it's a little rough. Take the smoothing tool, and I've got it really big, so it's going to happen really fast. So that's not it. You would want to make your tool smaller. So there's 2 ways to get that shape. Anyway, I hope that helped and answered their question, and thank you for watching.